don't attack the person, attack the problem. If something goes wrong, okay, an employee, by mistake, she sent a mail to the wrong client. Okay, it's common, being human. It's a common. We are not machines, right? We are always living with emotions, man. Okay, it's a common. Then the boss get left and right. How you can say you are the stupid? How much loss to the company? Dot, and so on. What is the use? Unnecessary. Her confidence is going to be down. Next time she is not willing to take any responsibilities. It's always a bigger problem. But wise manager, senior manager, what he did, okay, he didn't attack that person, he attacked the problem. He called privately. Okay. So this type of things we should not do. Actually, there is this much impact is there. Of course, you are not required to worry because at beginning of my journey also I did multiple times this type of mistake. It's a common loss is there, but it's a common. Don't worry. Okay. So how we can prevent this problem next time? Why don't you prepare a checklist kind of thing? But before send a mail, before send button, click submit send button. Okay. To is the proper or not? Subject is the proper or not? Body is the proper or not? If everything is correct, then only submit. Okay, like prepare a small checklist kind of thing so that these type of problems won't come in future. What? Attacking a person, attacking problem. There's a bigger difference there. It's the most connected point for me.